Today at the house, we're prepping the main bathroom to try something new that I'm really excited about. This is a magic tub and tile refinishing kit. Got it from Home Depot. So our main bathroom, we have two bathrooms in this house. Our main bathroom is actually in like okay shape. We left it functioning because the sink and the toilet and the shower are all working, and we're actually saving it for last to see how much of our budget we have left over and if we really want to go all out and make this bathroom nice, or if we just want to clean it up a bit and fix things and make it so that they can be used. So pretty early on in the process, I wanted to try out this bathtub refinishing kit. I've heard they work great, but I want to try it out. That way we can see if this $50 kit fixes our bathtub problem, or if we're gonna have to replace the whole thing. But I'm gonna try out the $50 kit first because I'm hoping it works, and then we won't have to buy a new tub. So let me show you how our bathtub area looks first. This is our before, and today we're gonna be prepping that so we can get ready to paint on the stuff. So this is what the master bathroom, or the main bathroom looks like. It doesn't look pretty, and it's really old, but it is functioning. So we're gonna see, we may end up painting that tile, not sure yet. We're gonna replace the toilet and the vanity, but this shower enclosure is what we're working on right now. So you can kind of tell that that part actually looks pretty nice. It's way newer. The surround is in good shape, and once I give it another really good clean, it's only been like quickly cleaned once. We think that's gonna be just fine. But this bathtub is the issue. I mean, you can see it's really old. It's got stains, you know. It needs some help. It has a little chip right here, two of them. So we're gonna see if our bathtub can be saved, because if you can make that look good as new and the surround is just fine, then maybe we can save this area and not have to put so much money into it. We'll just replace the hardware. We're gonna take off I don't like the tile that, you know, unfortunately it's newer tile. They just put it on, they hadn't even grouted it yet, but I really don't like it. So we're gonna carefully pull it off and maybe pick a tile that goes with the colors we're using in here better, and maybe add a tile border back on. So here is your before. Using a magic tub and tile refinishing kit. Got it from Home Depot. It says that this kit will do, one kit will do a bathtub. If you have a large bathtub and surround area, then you would need two of them. Number one, prepare the surface. So we need to clean it really well, remove all the caulk, and then I'm gonna sand it. See right there, right there. Number two, we're gonna apply it. It has two parts that we have to mix together. We're gonna mask off the surrounding area so that we don't get this stuff on. And it doesn't have a very long dry period. It says wait at least 2 hours. That's not too bad. And then take all the masking tape off and re-caulk and reinstall the hardware. What we need: safety glasses, rubber gloves, general cleaning things, a bucket to mix it in, some sandpaper, masking tape, which we're trying that frog tape out for this, and then a paint stir stick and things to paint with. I know that some people like to use rollers for this, but I'm gonna follow the instructions, which says a high quality paintbrush right there with fine soft bristles. That's what we're gonna try out. So let's see how this works. the tile off, cleaning this and scrubbing it with bleach and hard abrasive things to get all the stuff off. Next thing I'm gonna do is break out my new sander, which I've never used before, and I'm gonna sand the entire thing down. But real quick, I wanna show you just how much of a difference it made to give it a good, thorough cleaning. Check this out. See how much better that looks. Tub has been cleaned. It has now been sanded down really well, which, by the way, this is my new favorite tool. I did not know what I was missing without having a palm sander. These things are amazing. That was so fast. All I had to do was take another piece and go around the corners a little bit where this can't reach, especially into the back corners and down around the floor. You want to take extra care to get all the junk out from around there so that this stuff really is going to adhere to the tub. So I'm just going to clean this one more time so that it can be really good and dry when we are ready to paint the stuff on. But right now I need to go meet with my HVAC guy and see what he says about the options we have for adding heating and cooling into this house. So I'll see you guys next time so we can finish the job and see how this product works out.